Ever felt overwhelmed by the hustle and bustle of life? Let's take a moment to pause and reflect on how you're feeling right now. Is your mind racing with thoughts? Is your heart pounding with stress? It's perfectly okay to acknowledge these feelings. In fact, recognizing your current state of mind is the first step towards creating a change. So take a deep breath and allow yourself to be present in this moment. If you're feeling stressed, meditation might just be the key to unlocking your inner peace. But what exactly is meditation? Let's delve into that. At its core, meditation is a practice that promotes relaxation, builds life force, and develops compassion, love, patience, generosity, and forgiveness. It originates from ancient traditions with roots deeply anchored in Eastern cultures. Meditation is our personal journey of self-discovery, a gentle exploration of the mind's landscape. It's about cultivating a state of calm and quiet, allowing the mind to become clear. It's about learning to be present in the here and now, fostering a sense of inner peace that extends beyond the meditation session itself. The benefits are immense. Meditation can reduce stress, increase calmness and clarity, and promote happiness. It can improve mental health, enhance self-awareness, and even lengthen attention span. It's a simple process, accessible to anyone regardless of age or background. It doesn't require any special equipment, just a quiet space and a few minutes of your day. So now that you know what meditation is and its benefits, you're ready to begin. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably without any interruptions. This is your sanctuary, your haven of calm. Let go of the day's stresses and welcome the tranquility. Be it a dedicated meditation room, a corner in your bedroom, or even a peaceful spot in your yard, the space should resonate with serenity. Next, adopt a comfortable posture. You could sit cross-legged on a cushion, on a chair, or even lie down if that's more comfortable for you. The key is to ensure your back is straight and your body relaxed. Now let's talk about breathing. Breathe naturally and deeply. Inhale through your nose, hold for a moment, then exhale through your mouth. Feel your chest rise and fall with each breath. Notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. Finally, gently close your eyes. Let go of any thoughts that may be clouding your mind. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your body and focus on your breath. Now focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly. Feel the air as it travels down into your lungs, expanding them gently. Hold that breath for a moment, relishing the stillness, the silence. Then let it out slowly, feeling your body relax as you do. Your breath is the anchor to the present moment, the bridge between your body and your mind. Pay attention to it, observe it, and let it guide you into a state of calm and tranquility. It's not about controlling your breath, but rather about observing it, becoming aware of it. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may notice that thoughts start to arise. That's perfectly normal. Our minds are thought factories, constantly producing thoughts, ideas, memories, and plans. When you notice a thought arising, don't try to push it away. Instead, simply acknowledge it, and then gently bring your attention back to your breath. Letting go of thoughts is not about suppressing them, but rather about not getting caught up in them. It's about observing them as they arise and pass away, like clouds in the sky. It's about developing a sense of detachment, a sense of being the observer of your thoughts rather than the thinker of them. As you continue to meditate, you may find that your mind becomes quieter, calmer. You may find that you become more aware of the present moment, more in tune with your body, your breath. This is the power of meditation. The gift it offers us, a greater sense of presence, a greater sense of peace. So keep breathing, keep observing, keep letting go. Let your breath guide you. Let your mind be still. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. It's a personal journey, a journey of self-discovery, of self-awareness. Remember, it's okay if your mind wanders. The goal is not to stop thinking, but to observe your thoughts without judgment. And with this understanding, you're already on your way to a more mindful, peaceful existence. Slowly bring your attention back to your surroundings. Gently open your eyes and take a moment to sit in the calmness and clarity you've just cultivated. Feel the serenity flowing within you. Allow yourself to bask in this tranquil moment, appreciating the peace you've created within yourself. Congratulations on completing your first meditation session. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try to incorporate meditation into your daily routine for the best results.